Hi everyone, in this video I will teach you how to fix your clock is set incorrectly. Let's start the video. First, open the system settings on your Mac. On the system settings, tab General. Now tap Date and Time. Here, make sure that Set Time and Date Automatically is off. Then tap Set next to the date and time. Enter your Mac password if prompted. Here, select your right date and time. After selecting the date and time, tap Set button. Now, set your closest city. After setting the date and time, go back to Safari page and check if your Safari works or not. If your Safari doesn't work after setting the date and time, then go back to settings menu again. Tab General. Again tap date and time. Here turn on set time and date automatically. Use your password to verify. Then turn on set time zone automatically using your current location. After that, open the Safari again and check that if your Safari works or not. This time Safari working, as you can see.